36-inch ETL NSF approved bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. For length, we have 35 3/4 inches. Depth, we have 27 inches. And height with caster wheels is 47.5 inches. Without the wheels is 44.5 inches. Coming towards this side, back of the bakery case, dual slide doors. Connection is 110 120 voltage, power switch, and analog controller for temperature. Back here is a sticker with your schematics along with the ETL NSF certification. Dual slide glass doors, and included are 2 adjustable glass shelves. For the interior, the dimensions for the depth will be 22 3/4 inches. The height from the bottom to the door opening will be at least 22.5 inches in height. And the overall length will be 33.5 inches. Measurement for each shelf will be 14 3/4 inches depth, and length will be 31.5 inches long. For more questions, please give us a call or visit our website and we'll gladly assist. Thank you.